you doing, guys? And welcome back to another day of fun in the sun. But today we're not going on the boat. Today we're doing something different. We're gonna go ahead and film behind the scenes music video that's coming out, and you guys are gonna have the exclusive on Fresco Channel. So, and by the way, you guys notice I'm rocking the new Fresco Channel tank top, Sandbar Life. You guys could get it on frescochannel.com. Go ahead and, you know, if you guys like it, purchase it there. Right now I'm just doing black for myself, but they're gonna have different choices of color that I'll put it up on the website if you guys like it. So you know, something new, something cool. I mean, it came out pretty nice. I like it. Hope you guys like it too. I had a good review, I guess, when I posted it up on Instagram. A lot of people liked it. So now you go ahead and purchase it. So today should be interesting. We're gonna go ahead behind the scenes record of a music video. So it's something good. And there might be two parts to this video. One behind the scenes before the song comes out, and then one behind the scenes of today's events. So, you know, might be two. So we'll see how the day goes. And let's go have some fun in the sun. I've never been here, so this will be interesting. You know, it's a nice neighborhood, so it's a nice house. So hopefully we get some good behind the scene footage. But like you guys notice, it's beautiful here. There's super nice houses.
What up? We made it. Fresco Channel is here. This is the location for the video shoot in, what is it, Palmetto Bay?
Yeah, Palmetto Bay.
We're in Palmetto Bay, baby. And that Jeep in front of you guys right now, that's the director, Jokes. He's waving at us. That's Jokes. He's a two-time Emmy Award winner for his TV shows and movies.
Yeah.
I'm the artist.
Welcome to my house, man.
Yeah, they're down with the lotto.
Make yourself at home, bro.
I got
You want the lotto?
I got my
Mi casa
office
su
already
casa,
picked
bro.
out. Amanda helped
You want the
me.
lotto?
Yeah.
Bro, she did a great job. Let's do that real quick because I gotta run to the store. Oh, damn, they blocked it.
Okay. If you see how back my deliveries. And then the behind the scenes guys run delayed, so.
Right.
Ooh.
So, real quick, this opens up big time. Like, this opens up like all the way through. Like, all the way through. Like, there's no glass.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, it goes in the wall.
That's fire.
So
Wow.
if you get this whole thing, and you can move all this furniture, and you get, you know, have her do all her shit here.
Yeah, that's fire. That's great.
And she has, it's good that it's closed like that because when she does her shoes, she slides. And it gives you that. And so just giving you a heads up. What this looks like.
Fresco. This is Amanda.
How you doing?
Fresco.
Nice to meet you.
So you have this, I just close it because it gets hot.
Yeah, totally.
So,
Yeah, it's hot and cold,
right, you got the pool table bottom over here. You know, I
Oh, I like that picture. I like that picture.
Right.
There's more night vibes.
Oh, that's a cool picture.
The prior person
What you doing there, boy?
lift all the things.
So, man,
with the button.
I know how to get a visa to come down here.
All
a visa, boy.
lift
Come to
all the-
Miami like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go outside.
We're getting a tour of the house. Oh, I like the floor. Ooh. Damn. Yeah, I know. You can't touch nothing.
Alright, so come to the bathroom. You can see that some barometers in here. So this is really sexy.
Ooh.
For like a scene, right? It's
Oh my
beautiful.
goodness, God, it's super nice.
It's like gorgeous.
Oh, I like this. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Está lindo, está lindo.
Yeah, this is like very well, like white, but very well decorated.
Yeah.
I like that.
I know, me
Chandelier.
too. It's like vintage glam. Está lindo.
Wow. It's super nice.
And then,
Oh. Wait, do it again, do it again. Do it again. Oh yeah, Austin Powers.
over there.
Ooh, look. See my soap. Come on, yo, this is pretty cool.
All the views, all the views.
Yo.
I can't.
My shadow cameras all over you.
Yeah.
Wow, this is super nice.
And then once we do that, we'll go back inside. The sun will be down and it's all night shoot. It's all night shots.
So what are you thinking for a date? As far as date, like probably downstairs.
I'm thinking that little area, might as well just
The
kill it
living room?
first. Yeah, just kill that, get that out the way, because it's daytime.
So help me pick the outfit for that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah? And that way we can match.
This one, this one.
We got a dope outfit to go with
We
the
got a
fur.
couple. We got a couple.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Let's work the living room. That way they set up that big HMI light that I have with the soft box on it. That'll look real nice.
That's super nice.
Alright guys, so you're watching an exclusive edition of Fresco Channel. We're doing a behind the scenes to my music video. La canción se llama Nana, that means that the song's called Nana. And we're filming in a gorgeous location, Palmetto Bay, Florida, Miami, Florida. Check out the pool. Fresco's gonna take you around the house to show you what the house looks like. I'm really excited.
Okay, so we're here at the video shoot, and you guys are coming along for the ride for behind the scenes. Now there might be two videos, like I was saying before. One for the day and one before the song actually comes out. So just, you guys gonna have to wait for it. Wait for it. But yeah, the house is beautiful, like you guys can see. Very nice. And let's go check inside.
Oh yeah.
We'll be set up in a... Yeah, that's weird.
It's exciting to be next year. Great. All of our amazing musicians come in this venue.
Is it for the microphone? Oh, the microphone?
You have the manual one.
So while everybody's back there recording, I'm gonna show you guys the house. It's beautiful. I would love to live here. Look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen, guys. This is beautiful. I could be here. Imagine that. Play that louder now. Make sure I catch it. And it is super nice. I love this. This is my area here. In the backyard. Refrigerator is humongous. Super cool. Super nice. And even got like a pool table in the living room. Well, I have to show you guys this. This is a square or rectangle toilet. That was pretty cool. Never seen one like that, so I had to kind of show you that because that was kind of interesting, right? You know me, I gotta find the food and get something to eat. Cause I'm hungry. But so far so good. There's a lot of parts that I won't be able to put on the video because, you know, like you know how YouTube is, it can be sexual content. But I'll try to do some fast clips so you guys could see it. But you guys could see the whole full video when it comes out. So just wait and see what I eat my little sandwich.
So we just wrapped up the first scene. This is amazing dancer, contortionist, right?
Yes.
Her name is Sophia from Italy. So say something in Italian to everybody.
Sono molto contenta di far parte di questo progetto e è una bellissima giornata.
So in case you didn't understand that, she's very happy that she's a part of this project. And of course, you know, I like Italian food.
That's it.
That's it. Sito Rocks, Sophia, behind the scenes with Fresco Channel. What's up? We out here. Fresco Channel. What's up, man?